everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using two colors from Vivid Glam Co. We're going to be creating a fall mani. Now these colors right here are screaming like harvest fall to me, even though their names are a little bit spooky. But before we dive into this mani, we're going to do a little bit of color blocking, nothing too crazy, just to split up the two colors. And then we're going to dive into this gorgeous green, which to me, this is like the perfect rustic olive green. It is beautiful and it has really great coverage. Also, I feel like this color right here would be great with like a burgundy red for Christmas. Options are endless with this beautiful color here, and you can see that that first coat is really pretty and it's very full coverage, which I like that, and it wasn't streaky or patchy or anything like that. Sometimes when you're working with solids, they can become like a little bit chalky. This one is not. It is super finely milled. So let's get into these beautiful colors and see them in action. I'm also using the gel method today, so anytime you see me brushing off, just remember that I did cure for a full 30 seconds. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's get into these beautiful colors, and then I'll pop back in just a little bit.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, you got me like Guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? 'Cause I don't know. Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh? I don't even know what it feels like when your eyes are staring at me. I miss them. I'm about to lose it. All of my friends telling me to leave for the night. It's for the best. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh? About you, baby.
Alright, we're just finishing up with that gel base and we're going to add a little touch of bling here. We're going to use this nail art sticker in the color gold and I'm just going to line it up in between that color blocking section just to separate those two colors. I felt like adding this pop of gold just really tied in this color blocking for me. There was just something about that dip powder that we use Wicked with all those beautiful color foils and glitters that just like tied in this gold perfectly. And then I just made sure it was laying super flat with that little silicone tool and then clipping off the extra. Now to seal everything in, I'm going to go in with a layer of gel top coat and cure everything for a full 60 seconds. Make sure you are wrapping that free edge as well. I did the rest of the top coat off camera and here's the finished mani. I love this mani so much. It's screaming rustic harvest to me. I feel like this is the perfect like Thanksgiving touch for me because of the colors. And when you look at Wicked and how the light hits it, it reminds me of like glistening leaves and just like all those really good like rustic dark colors. Overall, I just love this combination. It's a very simple mani, but yet we have like that perfect like blinginess with the foils and that glitter, and then we have a color blocking nail. So very easy mani, but yet we have those really awesome eye-catching elements in there as well. So everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. If these colors were not your cup of tea, Vivid Glam Co. has tons of beautiful colors. There's definitely going to be something that catches your eye. I hope you enjoyed this simple fall mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.